Struggling to find the right parts catalog for your McCormick tractor? Ordering the wrong manual can lead to delays, wasted money, and frustration. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to identify the correct manual in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Find your tractor model. The first step is knowing your tractor's exact model. Some McCormick tractors were produced in just one version, making it easy to find the right catalog. However, many models come in multiple versions. Step 2. Verify the year of production. Even if two tractors have the same model number, they may have been produced in different years, with slight changes in design. Always check the production year to ensure compatibility with your parts catalog. Step 3. Verify other key characteristics. If the production year doesn't fully confirm the correct catalog, check additional characteristics. Does your tractor have a cab? What engine type does it use? What kind of drive system does it have? These details help pinpoint the correct manual. Step 4. Use the VIN number for 100% accuracy. The best way to guarantee accuracy is by using your tractor's vehicle identification number. Locate the metal VIN plate on your tractor and send the number to us. We'll verify the correct parts catalog for your machine. Now you know exactly how to find the right McCormick parts catalog for your tractor. If you want to search for it yourself, follow the steps we covered. But if you're still unsure, simply send us your VIN number, and we'll find the correct manual for you.